In this video, we're going to go over the infographic and poster sites on the Senior Project Links tab of the LibGuide. So let's go ahead and look at fody.com. And this is going to generate a newspaper clipping. So all you have to do, and you will be using these for your senior project contract, all you have to do is come up with a name, and obviously you would probably want it to be something related to your senior project. Put the date, and then your headline, again, creative and unique and tailored to your project. And then you enter your story, which is all about your contract. And remember, you will have more information than that. And then you just click on Generate. All right, and then you can see here, it generates whatever you have put in. You can download this image, or you can send the link to your teacher. If you click download your image, then it will save it as a JPEG. So it will save it as a picture, and you can send this to your teacher, or when you get ready to drop this into your blend space, you can drop this picture directly in there. So that is Fody. Okay, let's go back and look at Piktochart. Piktochart allows you to create infographics. And once on this site, you will need to sign up. So you'll click the Sign Up tab. And once signed in and you're created an account, then you can pick Infographic, and you can look at the different themes. And notice that some of them say Pro. Now those you would have to pay for, so you are going to make sure to look for the ones that do not say Pro. And then once you have found one that you like, you just click Create. And you name it. All right. And then you can see that you can just double click for your title. And you can just put your text in right there. And then you can drag and manipulate these boxes how you want to. Now if you need to delete something, you can just delete the block. Okay, you can clone it, you can add, you can move it up, move it down. And then you have all of these options on the side. So you have your graphics, uploads, backgrounds, text, styles, and tools. And you can see under graphics you have different icons or photos that you can click on, and they kind of give you some default ones. The same with photos, they kind of give you some default photos that you can put in, or you can upload and put in your own images. And then you have your different background options that you can choose. And also, as you click on these different tabs on the left-hand side, you see across the top. That's where you have your copy and paste, your cut, if you need to delete something, if you need to group something, change the colors, change your fonts. This is where you can do all of that editing right there. When you go to add in your titles, you can change how that text looks. Okay. Under the Tools tab, you can see that gives you charts, maps, you can include videos, different line styles. So this is where you can get some of those different charts and graphs from, which you can add in, and of course it would be customized to your senior project. While you are working on your picto chart, you can see under File, that's where you can create new ones, rename it, save as, so make sure that you are saving as you go along, or if you want to download it as an image. Also up here you can download, you can make sure that you're saving, you can preview it, you can publish, and you can share it. So when you go into publish, it gives you some different options, but when you click publish now, then it will give you the site link or the embed code that you can use, and then this is how you can drop it into your blend space later on. If you are going to download, once you click on the download option, then you can see that there are different sizes for your resolution, different qualities, and also you can choose if you want to save it as a JPEG or as the picture file. But that is PictoChart, and that is how you can make an infographic for your senior contracts. Remember, you have Foti or PictoChart to choose from for that component of your senior project.